Hello everyone, I am Mehak and you are watching W Social. So today in this video we will discuss about plastic pollution. Plastic pollution has become one of the pressing environmental issue as rapidly increasing production of disposable plastic products overwhelms the world's ability to deal with them. Since the ocean is downstream from nearly every terrestrial location, it is the receiving body for much of the plastic waste generated on land. Several million tons of debris end up in the world's ocean every year, and much of it is improperly discarded plastic litter. Every year, 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean. That's equivalent to one truckload dumped into the sea every minute of the day. From there, it goes on a long and destructive journey. So what's the problem with plastic? So let's discuss this. It's used to make everything from food packaging to clothing, furniture, computers and cars. This material is designed to be very durable, and as a result, much of it does biodegrade. Depending on the type, plastic can take between a few decades to potentially millions of years to disintegrate in landfill. Consequently, unless it burns, which itself causes pollution, nearly every piece of plastic ever manufactured still exists today. And when it enters the ocean, its effect can be felt for centuries. Do you know where does waste come from? Globally, we produce more than 300 million tons of plastic waste each year, and that number is rising. Yet of all the plastic waste ever recycled, while the rest has been incinerated or discarded, mainly ending up in the landfills. A big reason for this is that 50% of the plastic we produce is single use, meaning it's intended to be thrown away immediately after it has served its purpose, like straws, plastic carry bags and water bottles. Because it's so frequently produced and so rapidly discarded, single-use plastic increases the amount of waste entering the landfills. That increases the amount that inevitably escapes into the environment. This is all about today. For more such update, please follow our channel. Thank you.